I actually like the open aesthetic, but there are still a few final steps, removing the bottom stand and installing the front glass. Now, I have to say, even without the front glass, the PC is already significantly heavier than my previous one. Once all the glass was installed, it became even more noticeable. To be honest, I actually prefer the look without the front panel, especially since the tinted glass darkens the interior more than I'd like. But I wanted a closed case this time. Since the case is now so heavy, I'll have to upgrade the TV mount because the weight is causing it to bend a bit. And with that, the new PC is fully assembled and running.